Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to drop the headliner from a first-gen Honda Insight, as well as remove the rear trim plastic panels. You're going to first start by disconnecting the hatch struts. They're going to be two 14mm bolts. There will be a cap on them, just like this. You just pop the cap off, simple as that. You're also going to have to remove the upper portion of the front seat belt. I'll have a video linked in the top of the description on how to remove the seat belt if you're a little confused. All you have to do is pop that little trim panel off that covers up the 14mm bolt, and then you loosen it and that is good to pop off. This plastic panel right here, like I said, once you have disconnected the strut, what you're going to want to do is get your fingers in there. It will work better if it's in warmer weather because the plastic will be a little bit more forgiving and bend a bit more. I'd recommend a trim removal tool like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is why I'm not using it. But be careful with these because Honda does not make these anymore, and to get a replacement panel is pretty pricey. But once you get one of these out, see, I've got it right there. It's already out. As you can see, just keep making your way up. See, you got another one. Keep going up. You're also going to remove some push clips right here. On the left, they're going to be long ones, and on the right, obviously, I've got this removed, but it's the same style. And you'll just use a pry tool, pop them up like that, take them out, and remove this rear carpet portion. You're just going to have some little pop clips. Different style than the ones up there, but just pull these out just like that. It's a little hard. And then we're gonna have to pop this light out as well. Remove the light. What you're gonna want to do is just move the switch to the up position, and then it can slide right off. So I wasn't able to get it on camera, but like I said, you're just gonna keep working your way around, removing those pop clips. You will have to yank it. It is kind of a pain. It might feel like you're breaking it, but it'll be fine, of course. And so there's a clip there, and so on. Of course, this just goes up like that, and then you are free to remove this. What I did is I just popped down one little trim piece. I think these are kind of getting held in, just like that. The next thing that you're going to do is remove both passenger and driver sun visors. There's going to be two Phillips head bolts right here. Just simply drop it out, easy as that. So next, to remove this, what you're going to do is push up and turn it clockwise. Okay, so I had a horrible time getting this one to come undone, but what I ended up doing was spraying a bit of WD-40. I flipped it enough so that I could spray that right in there, and it's not coming out perfectly, but much easier than it was before. So I still might need to put the camera down and use two hands, but that's what I'm talking about. You just keep twisting it. The side's already loose. Well, I pushed it in to hold it up a little bit. But like I said, keep twisting it, it'll pop down. Since this piece is symmetrical, you might not have to go clockwise, but I think that's the way I went. I didn't record it, so I'm not certain. To remove the interior map light, what you're gonna do is pop a screwdriver or something under the plastic to pop this out. I'm just gonna try and get it maneuvered out. Just like that. My plastic was already damaged, so I'm not too concerned. And then from there, what we're gonna have is two Phillips head screwdrivers up there. So once you've gone ahead and loosened or removed the interior map light, we're going to remove the A-pillars. Obviously, I've got the passenger one removed. To get this out, you're just going to use a little plastic pry tool and pop it out just gently. You don't want to go yanking it because these will break. And so we're going to pop it out a little bit more, and then it should be, maybe get one more clip at the bottom, otherwise it will slide up again at you. Yep, just like that. And there we go. So after that, what you're gonna wanna do is start peeling down this section of the headliner. Just put your finger in there and start dropping it just like that. You should not have this wire in your car. This is part of the reason I'm dropping the headliner, to remove that. But what I can see is that there seems to be a tab in that orangish square. Camera's not really focusing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but there should be a tab in there. What I'm going to use is the same pry tool to see if I can pop that down, and I'll let y'all know in a second. So clearly I've got the headliner dropped. This is absolutely disgusting, and the last thing holding it in was that little pop clip right there. Oh, that's so fucking awful. So yeah, simple as that. Popped it out, whole thing fell. I've read online you don't take it out the hatch, you take it out one of the passenger or one of the front doors. Apparently it does not fit out the hatch, so that's what I'm gonna try and do now while dropping as little mouse shit everywhere as possible. Hey, what's up guys? I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to me through Instagram. I'll have that linked in the description. My email is in my YouTube bio in case you need to reach out to me through there. As well, right now I have some photos of before and after when I cleaned the interior trim, and I'll have some bonus clips after this to show y'all why I pulled out this headliner. If you do want to support the build or support my channel, my videos are not monetized, so I have my Cashapp and my Venmo linked in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I appreciate the support. So here we are, the whole reason I'm dropping this fucking headliner. That is disgusting. Ugh. He's crispy.